How to recover Brawl Stars account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your lost Brawl Stars account. Whether you have switched device, accidentally logged out, or just can't find your progress. Don't worry, we have got you covered. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Brawl Stars app on your device. If you see the game starting from the scratch, don't panic. This means your account isn't currently linked to the app. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner and the pop-up menu will appear. From there, simply tap on Settings. And in the Settings section, find the option that says Help and Support or something similar. Tap on that and it will open the new section with various topics. Now tap on Account. Now if your account was connected to the Supercell ID, you are in the luck. Simply tap on Supercell ID login button and enter the email address you used to link your account and follow the prompts to verify your identity, and once verified, your account should be loaded automatically. But if you didn't link your account to a Supercell ID, don't worry, there is still a hope. So tap on Recover your account and after that tap on I have lost my access to the account. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner. And after that, tap on Leave Messages. Now here you can write message to Supercell explaining your situation. Be sure to include as much detail as possible, such as your previous player name, player ID, the level you were at, and when you last played. Supercell support team will guide you through the recovery process, and once you have recovered your account, make sure to link it with the Supercell ID to avoid losing it again. Linking is free, quick, and lets you play all across the multiple devices seamlessly. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Brawl Stars account successfully. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.